Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable address whitelisting on Kraken for safer withdrawals. Complete guide step by step clearly. Log in to your Kraken account. Navigate to the security section in the account settings. Locate the option for withdrawal settings. Look for the address whitelisting feature. Click on the toggle button to enable address whitelisting. Read the information provided about address whitelisting. Understand that this feature adds an extra layer of security. Select the cryptocurrencies for which you want to enable whitelisting. Add your preferred withdrawal addresses in the designated area. Ensure that all addresses are correctly entered. Review the list of whitelist addresses. Make any necessary adjustments before finalizing. Confirm your changes by clicking the Save button. Verify that the address whitelisting is now enabled. Log out and log back in to check the settings if needed. Remember that changes may take some time to take effect. Always keep your whitelist addresses updated as needed. Familiarize yourself with how to remove or edit addresses in the future. Make sure to regularly monitor your withdrawal activity for additional security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.